Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today, I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see dividends on your Etoro account. To do so, first of all, just log into your Etoro account on your Google Chrome browser, or you can just simply open the app as well. After going on to Etoro, you'll be on the home page of Etoro. From here, just go on to the portfolio. After you are on the portfolio, you can see all your assets that you have bought on your account, and you can see all the columns with prices, units, its average, open, and many more values as well. Now to see dividend, you simply have to click on this 3 bars option with a gear like icon. If you click on this, you can see that this kind of customized column will appear. From here, go on to average, open, and you can see a option for fees. In order to see dividend, it will appear as fees of how much dividend each your asset will give you rather than dividend itself. Simply click on fee and then click on apply. After that, you can see this column has been updated into fee, where now you are able to see how much dividend you are getting from your assets. Right now it is $0, but it will appear how much it is according to your own individual assets. This was for this video, and that's how you can see assets on your Etoro account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.